Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send discount vouchers to customers via WhatsApp or new Instamojo payment. So are you also using Instamojo for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So over here I'm doing the same. I'm running a skincare products brand and we are selling our skincare products with the help of our Instamojo account. And now I want that as soon as a new successful payment is made in my Instamojo account, that is as soon as someone purchases my product, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer with the discount voucher so that I can encourage the repeat purchases. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Instamojo and WhatsApp. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So do you also wish to learn this process step by step? Then let me take you to my computer screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video we are going to understand how to send discount vouchers to customers via WhatsApp on Instamojo payment. So as you know that I run organic skincare products business and use Instamojo for payment processing. So now I want that as soon as my customer purchases this herbal face mask, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that customer with the discount voucher. So I'm going to send this discount voucher because it not only adds the personal touch but also motivates the customer to shop again, increasing sales and improving customer satisfaction. So I'm going to create this automation for this process. So to create this automation, I've successfully opened the landing page of Pabbly simply by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as we are going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in right over here, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly, but in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm going to click on access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connect account, and now it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button which says create workflow, and now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which is automations, and I want to name my workflow as how to send discount vouchers to customers via WhatsApp on new Instamojo payment. And then we are going to click on create, and now it is opening the most important window of our automation, that is our workflow window. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger. So over here trigger commands the workflow and actions are the response of that command. So now we are going to select our trigger application which is Instamojo because I want that as soon as a new payment is made in my Instamojo account, automatically my workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to search for Instamojo V2 and then we are going to select it. And now for the trigger event, we are going to select it as successful payment because I only want to trigger this workflow on successful payments. And now it is giving me a webhook URL. So we are going to use this webhook URL in order to create a connection between our Instamojo account and our Pabbly's workflow. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL and then we are going to follow the help text and open the Instamojo account. And as you can see that this is my Instamojo account and I've already logged in it. And now after logging it, you can see that this is my page which is herbal face mask. So I'm going to create this automation for this only. So now I'm going to go on this three dots and then edit page. And now from the left side bar, we are going to go on page settings and over here you can see webhook. So we are going to go on this. And now you can see that this webhook button is switched off. So I'm going to switch it on first, and over here it is asking me for the webhook URL. So we are going to paste the URL we copied from our workflow, and now it is saying information to be sent. So over here we are going to select it as successful payments because I want to do this automation for successful payments only. So I'm going to select it and then we are going to click on save and update, and again we are going to click on yes, save and update, and then we are going back to our workflow because we have successfully connected our Instamojo account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now over here you can see that it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission /record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission, and in order to do the test submission, again I'm going to open my Instamojo account. Again we are going to go on this three dots and then we are going to go on view to page. So now we are going to do a test submission and purchase this herbal face mask. So I'm going to go on pay now, and over here it is asking me for the details. So I'm going to fill in the dummy details as first name demo, last name user, email ID as demo@pabblytudes.com. Over here I'm going to enter the phone number as this, and now after entering the phone number we are going to click on add delivery information. We are going to add the delivery information and then we are going to click on proceed to pay, and now it is asking me to select the payment method. So I'm going to select it as card, and over here I'm going to enter the card details, and now after entering the card details we are going to click on pay. And now you can see that we have successfully completed this payment, and yes, you can see thank you for your order. So this means that Instamojo has sent the details of our submission to our workflow. So I'm going to open my workflow and then we are going to check that if Pabbly has captured the response of this or not. So I'm going to open my workflow, and yes, you can see that Pabbly has captured the response of the details. Over here you can see all the details of our submission. Over here you can see the payment amount. We are going to scroll. Over here you can see the state that we enter, the postal code, the country, the city and the address. We are going to scroll more and we are going to get all the details. Over here you can see the buyer name. Over here you can see the phone number that we entered and the email. So yes, with this our trigger step is successful, and now we are moving on to our action step. So for our action application we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API right over here, because I want to send an automated WhatsApp message as soon as a new successful Instamojo payment is made. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API and then we are going to select it. And now for the action event, we are going to select it as send template message, and then we are going to click on connect. And as you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And now to get all of this, we are going to read the help text, and it is saying enter the system's user generated token here. And over here you can see that there's a hyperlink. So we are going to open this hyperlink to learn how to get the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. And now it is opening my forum, and over here you can see how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So over here you are going to get the video of the complete WhatsApp Cloud API setup step by step. So you can follow these steps to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API, but I've already done it, so I'm going to open it. And over here you can see the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy all of these details and then we are going to paste these details in our workflow. But before moving forward, I'll just let you know that this is a temporary access token, and it says this token will expire in 23 hours. So if you wish to generate a permanent access token, again you have to open that hyperlink, and over here you are going to get how to generate permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API step by step. So you can follow this video to generate a permanent access token. But I'm going to use this temporary access token only, so I'm going to copy all of these details and then we are going to paste it right over here in our workflow. And now after pasting all the details, we are going to click on save. And as soon as we are going to click on save, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And over here you can see that it is asking me for the template name. So to let you know this, again we are going to open our Cloud API setup, and over here you can see that it is saying to create your own message template, click here. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink right over here to see my message template. And now it is opening my WhatsApp manager, and over here you are going to see all the templates that I've already created. So as you can see all the templates, and if you wish to create a new, you can click on create template right over here to create a new template. But I'm going to use one from this only, which is this natural glow. So I'm going to select the same right over here in the template name, and as soon as you are going to select the template name, Pabbly will automatically detect the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this, we are just going to move on forward, and it is saying recipient mobile number. So we are going to map this. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Instamojo as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only, and as soon as we are going to map these details, automatically my details will turn dynamic and change with every new successful payment made on my Instamojo account. So I'm going to give you an example that over here in front of recipient mobile number, if I'm going to enter the mobile number manually, suppose this. So if I'm going to enter this number manually, then this will not change with every new successful payment made in my Instamojo account, because this is a static information and I've entered it manually. But if I'm going to map it from the previous response, over here you're going to see the number. So over here, if I'm going to map this from the previous response, then this will definitely change because my previous response will also change. So that's why we do mapping right over here to run our workflow in real time. And as you can see that now it is asking me for the header document URL, header document file name, and the body field 1. So to let you know all of this, I'm going to open my message template. So this is my template. Over here you can see the name of the template is natural glow. In the header you can see that I've attached a document. So this is the discount voucher I want to send to my customer. And over here you can see the body of the message. Hi 1. Thank you for your purchase from Natural Glow Skincare, and the rest of the message. But as you can notice that this one is in curly brackets because this one is a variable right over here, and I want this one to change with every new successful payment made in my Instamojo account. So I want that this one should be replaced with the name of my customer every time the workflow is running. So here you can see that I want that this one should be replaced with demo user, test user, or any another name of the customer, because I want to send all of my customers a more personalized message. So to do this, we are going back to our workflow, and over here for the header document URL PDF, we are going to enter the PDF we want to send to our customer. So I'm going to enter the discount voucher PDF, and to get that PDF, I'm going to open my WordPress account. And now as you can see that this is my WordPress account. So from the left side bar, we are going to go on media, and over here in the media, I've already added my discount voucher. So I'm going to scroll, and as you can see, gift voucher. So I've already added this in my media with the help of my WordPress account. So if you wish to add your media, you can click on add new media files and add your media right over here. And as soon as you're going to add the PDF file, you're going to get the URL right over here. So we are going to copy this URL, and then we are going to paste the same URL right over here in our workflow, which is header document URL PDF. So I'm going to open this URL once too and show you the discount voucher I want to send to my customer. And over here you can see that this is the discount voucher I want to send to my customer. So yes, so I'm going to enter this same URL right over here, and now it is saying header document file name. So I'm going to give it a file name which is gift voucher. So I'm going to enter it, and now after entering it, it is asking me for the body field 1 example demo user. So we are going to map the name of our customer right over here. So I'm going to search for name, and as you can see, buyer's name. So we are going to map this. So now yes, we have successfully completed all these steps, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on save and send test request, I'll just let you know that I'm going to replace the dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the message and the response received. And yes, I have replaced my dummy phone number with the original phone number, and now we are going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent the WhatsApp message with the same details. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check that if we have received the WhatsApp message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received the WhatsApp message. Over here you can see, hi demo user, discount voucher just for you. And over here you can see the discount voucher. So I'm going to download this PDF, and we are going to open it. And yes, you can see that this is the same voucher we added in our workflow. So yes, with this our workflow is successful, and I'll just test this workflow once, and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So to do this, I'm going to open my Instamojo account again, and over here again we are going to do a test submission. So we are going to follow our herbal face mask. We are going to go on the 3 dots and then view page, and now we are going to do another test submission. For that we are going to click on pay now, and over here it is asking me for the first name. So I'm going to enter the first name as test, last name user, email ID as testuser@pabblytudes.com. Over here I'm going to enter the mobile number. So I'm going to enter the dummy phone number again. So I'm going to enter it, and again we are going to click on add delivery information, and then for the address I'm going to keep it as New Street, Bhopal. Over here is the pin code and the state, and then we are going to click on proceed to pay. Again it is asking me for the payment method, so I'm going to select it as cards, and I'm going to enter the card number and then the CVV. And after entering all the details, I'm going to make the payment. So I'm going to make the payment. So I'm going to click on pay, and yes, you can see that we have successfully completed this test submission also. Over here you can see thank you for your order. So yes, with this our workflow is successful, and now what will happen that as soon as I completed the payment, Instamojo captured the details of the payment and sent the details to our workflow. Pabbly triggered the workflow and further sent an automated WhatsApp message to our customer with the discount voucher. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check that if we have received the new message or not. And this time we'll not open our workflow and click on save and send test request. I'll directly open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see that we have received the new WhatsApp message message, hi test user. So this is the new name that we entered, and over here you can see the gift voucher that we sent. So yes, with this our workflow is successful, and I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. So for the trigger application we selected Instamojo. For the trigger event we selected successful payment. For the action application we selected WhatsApp Cloud API, and then for the action event we selected send template message, because I wanted that as soon as a new successful payment is made in my Instamojo account for my herbal face mask product, automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my customer with the discount voucher, so that I can motivate my customers to shop again, increasing my sales and improving the customer satisfaction. I'm also going to do this to encourage the repeat purchases and enhance the customer loyalty. So yes, with this our workflow is successful, and over here you can see the two WhatsApp message I sent during this video, one to demo user with the gift voucher and the another one to test user with the gift voucher. So yes, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.